got a slightly odd one for you today. What I have here is a light switch that wasn't working. Took it apart and looked behind, and the reason, it's actually a three-way switch. And this is wired wrong in order to work. For this way, what I wanted to show you is that you could actually wire a three-way switch so it would work as a regular switch. And so turning off the power here to make this safer, to rewire it. And basically what you want to do is you want to have your incoming line go to the black, which is the hot screw, and that's your incoming voltage. And then the other wire can go, if it goes to the top one and it's up, then that's going to turn this light on when it's up. And if you ran it to the one on the bottom, that'd turn the light on when the light was down. So obviously you want it on the top and you want it facing top. Now these three-way switches, it's a little tricky to tell if you're using the quick ports which one is the control voltage or the incoming voltage or the main hot, and not the travelers. The other two screws are your travelers for a three-way switch setup. But so using it for a regular switch, your incoming line goes to the control hot, and then your outgoing line goes to the top traveler. That's the best setup for that. So not that you'd want to do it this way, but I'm just showing you how you could do it. Now, a three-way switch is a little bit more expensive than a normal standard switch, and that's why you probably wouldn't want to do it that way. But this is how you could do it, and if that was all you had, that's what you had, and just showing you a different way you could make it work. So I'd like to show you a lot of different angles on different maintenance stuff, and this was one of them, a little bit different. Hope you liked it.
Down that narrow road a little awkwardly 'cause of the burden on his back. There was a wall on either side of him, the name of which was salvation. The road descended up just a little bit, and upon that place there stood a cross, and at the foot of it there was a sepulchre. As a Christian he came up with a cross, his burden it fell from off his back. It tumbled down into the sepulchre, and never was it seen anymore. Yeah. He has given me rest by his sorrow and life by his death.